Hey, I have another fun little project. The Miso Customs lights for the Toyota 4Runner. I'm going to start off doing my map lights first. I'm using my Leatherman to take out the plastic by the edge and just pull everything out. I would recommend doing the plastic trim piece removal. I got the package right before I left for work, and when I got to work, I started just changing these out. The light bulbs are a little hard to take out. You use a piece of tape and pull them out. Unfortunately, my camera was not rolling when I did that. So I'm installing the Moshimoto map lights. Just plug in those two wires where the original bulbs went. It's really a plug and play system. It's not that hard to do. When you put the lights on, just pop them in slowly. Don't force it. Take your time. Don't break anything. Now let's start on the dome light dual color. Just take out the little plastic. There are two indentations to put your tool in, pull it out. Then take out the bulb. Like I said, I'm just using my Leatherman. Do use the plastic trim piece, it's a little better. Now I'm going to just install it same place where the light bulb went. Just make sure the connection is right. Pop it in place. Job's done. Now this is how the lights look at night. They're really bright, much brighter than the stock ones. So here's the front, here's the back seat, also very bright. I did install the Moshimoto Customs lights in the trunk, which I did it before, not on camera, a couple weeks ago. They're really good accessory and it really brightens up the back. Now let me switch over to the red. Now here's the red. Very nice. Illuminates great, not too bright. And again, the trunk looks really nice with the red lights. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.